Prodigy Talent Training's 8-week stand-up comedy class starts this weekend, Saturday, May 19th from 1 to 3. Here's our comedy instructor, Duncan J.
Have you ever been told that you're funny? Ever been told that you should be a comedian? Maybe you watched a comedy show and you thought, well, I could do that, but you had no idea where to start? My name is Duncan J, and I'm here to help. My class at Prodigy Talent Training is exactly that, a place to start. In this 8-week course, you're going to learn several things that are important to writing and performing comedy. I'm not saying I can make you funny, but you will learn how to take your thoughts and stories and turn them into comedy gold, using your own words to make people laugh. At the end of the 8 weeks, you will understand the art and craft of stand-up comedy, as well as comedy terminology, stage etiquette, and stage presence. And at the end of this 8 weeks, you will have prepared a 5-minute set that culminates in a live showcase in front of your friends and family. So call Prodigy Talent Training today and reserve your spot.
Call 321-693-8438 or go to prodigytalenttraining.com.